So hello friends, this is Samir Khan and we have this anamorphic lens kit from Skyvik. Here you can see that. So I was already unpacked this box in my previous videos. If you want to check the main unboxing, you can get the video link in the description below. So this is the box. You can see that, and backside we have key features and net content. So let's unbox this. So inside of this box we have another box. So looks premium and good, and in this box they are providing a carrying case. You can see here a premium carrying case, and also paperworks, also the contact details. If you like this video, tap on like button, and also here you can see that some product details of this company, and here you can see that we have this premium carrying case. Using this you can carry around the lens in your backpack. Opening up this case, there are lot of things inside of this, and here you can see. So this is the lens itself. You can see this, and this is made by high quality materials. And here you can see this is the blue anamorphic lens, and next we have this plastic clip, and it looks very premium, and this is the hard plastic and good quality material. Here you can see that, and there is a adjustable panel. You can adjust how you want, which can be used to attach your anamorphic lens to your smartphone. Also they are providing this hook which can be used to clip your anamorphic lens case to your backpack or something else. And next we have professional pouch included in this box. Here you can see that it can be used to carry around the lens in your pocket safely. Also, last but not least, there is a cleaning cloth, microfiber cleaning cloth. So first of all, remove your anamorphic lens protection covers from it. So here you can see that it looks like this, and simply take your metal clip and simply attach it by rotating it in clockwise direction. So here you can see that, and also you can adjust your lens angle by rotating this. Here you can see that, and now simply place your lens in front of your camera module like this, and make sure to align the lens properly with the camera module, and simply tight your lens mount screw. Here you can see that, and it looks like this. And here you can see I am recording with my Samsung Galaxy A71 front camera with the anamorphic lens. So here you can see the view. It was squeezed top to bottom, and here you can see. If you don't know about this anamorphic lens, so if you are first time watching this anamorphic lens, there is no problem. So just to work off this anamorphic lens is to squeeze the video, two sides of the video. You can squeeze top to bottom or side to sides, or you can use this effect. Here you can see, you can use this effect, and while you are editing you want to de-squeeze the video, and now you can see that the video was de-squeezed. And also the work of this anamorphic lens to show the light flares. So these are the effects which can be get from this anamorphic lens. This is the use of anamorphic lens. First one, it will squeeze the video, and next thing is, before I am buying this anamorphic lens from Skyvik season, so before that I am only seeing the companies like Sandmark, Movement, Ulanzi. So after buying this is a amazing experience with this lens, premium quality and metal casing. Also you can see the video quality, and also on the screen you can see the photos and video samples which are taken by this lens. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. So this is Samir Khan signing off. I'll see you next video. Bye bye now.